Well, good morning, everybody. We're here at Bobby's Hobbies, and what you see in front of you, this strange looking train, is a scratch built, and it's still in production, a track cleaning car. It has, see, it rolls pretty nicely, and the glue's still wet. Got masking tape holding it together. Um, there's a big weight, it's free floating. You can adjust it with these bolts, and the higher you raise it, you make sure that that it's off the rail and it'll roll really nicely. And if you lower them, you can get to the adjusted level you want. Now it's like a real drag, and the point is to go along and clean the track. Now I've got a piece of furniture. Um, it's like a pad. It's like a furniture pad that you put on the bottom of furniture legs and things so it doesn't scratch the floor and slides. You could either use that, I guess, but it's brown and you might have difficulty noticing if it's cleaning or not because it's such a dark color. So I was going to use wrap paper towel and put rubber bands on it and put some alcohol, and I got to experiment with it and see how it works. And I still have to put couplers on. But the whole concept is a car that's got a lot of weight, a lot of friction rubbing to, keep. And again, see, I lifted it up so it rolls really easily. So I'm going to put this out of the way. I'm going to put it on this track. This is the second main line, which is not finished yet. Let that sit there while it dries, and hopefully it will, along with the other track cleaning cars, which I kind of have a faint memory now. I probably packed them away. So that was kind of dumb, but it is what it is. So this might not be a pretty looking car, but I'm hoping it functions really well because it has a big surface, almost 2.5 inches wide to, gently brush and scrape with a soft fuzz and or paper towel over the rails. And the idea is to run it periodically so that you don't get the train, the tracks in too dirty a state. Now, I know that big engine is somewhere sitting that we were running yesterday. I just don't know where the heck it is, which is annoying. It's probably hidden in a mountain somewhere. At least I don't think I took it off the rails. I can't remember. So I'm going to run one of these more modern engines with a buffer car. And see if it gets close. Oh, of course, the buffer car is making things worse. The buffer car was supposed to protect the engine. Maybe this buffer car is too light. Let's put some weight on it. How about we put this police car on here? Yeah, that's got some weight. I have a feeling that engine has got to be back there. Because if it's not running, it's on a dead zone track. And the big culprit for the dead zone track, oh, no, there, I spotted it up there. It's in the other mountain pass. Wow, that's even harder to get to. I don't know if you could see it in there. Well, I know where it is, but the other side of that mountain is treacherous. I wonder what the best engine would be to Try to get that out of there. This thing would push it out. Gotta be careful. At least we know where it is now. We know it's up in that higher mountain pass. Wow, the track is so dirty that even that super modern engine won't do it. All right, we're gonna have to shut down and we're gonna have to wait for this beast to dry up, put the couplers on it, and get it going. Thanks for watching.